In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change campaign URL in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives and how to customize it so your shared campaign link looks clean, on brand, and easy to remember. This is especially handy if you want a readable link for social posts, your website, or support inquiries. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to create or edit campaigns. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Campaigns area. This is where all of your email work happens, and it's the jumping off point for adjusting the share URL connected to a campaign. Inside Campaigns, select Email Templates. We're starting from a template because the share settings you're looking for appear once you begin building a campaign from that template. If you have a lot of templates, take a second to scan the names or use your usual naming conventions so you pick the right one. Choosing the correct template now helps keep branding consistent and prevents extra edits later. Browse your templates and choose the one you want to use. When you've found it, select it to open its details, then click Create Email. This spins up a new email campaign based on the template you just selected. You'll be taken into the Builder, where you can access campaign details, design, and sharing options. When prompted, choose Full Template. This ensures you have access to all the sections you'll need, including the share settings we're about to edit. It also gives you full control over the content and layout if you plan to continue building the email after updating the URL. Now, look for the Share This Email section. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this in the campaign settings or a panel related to sharing or tracking. This section controls the link that points to your campaign's hosted version, the one people can view in a browser. It's often referred to as the campaign URL or archive URL. Click Edit in that Share This Email section to open the controls. You should see a field for the URL. Click into the URL field. This is where you customize the readable part of the link, usually the slug that appears after a slash. It's a good idea to keep this short, descriptive, and aligned with the campaign's theme, such as a product name, event title, or date. Type in the campaign URL you want. Use lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens for best results. Avoid spaces and special characters, and keep it concise so it's easy to share. If your chosen text is already in use or includes characters that aren't allowed, Mailchimp will let you know so you can adjust. A quick tip: include a meaningful keyword and, if needed, a brief date or version to keep it unique while still recognizable. When you're happy with the text, click Save. This applies your change to the campaign's share link. Take a moment to confirm that the new URL appears exactly as you entered it. If you need to refine it, you can reopen the edit panel and make small tweaks before you proceed. A few best practices as you wrap up. Keep your URL human-friendly. Think about what someone would type or read aloud without confusion. Consistency helps. Use the same formatting across your campaigns so links feel familiar. If your team collaborates on campaigns, let them know you've updated the URL so they can use the correct link in posts or documentation. And remember, once a campaign is sent and publicly shared, changing the URL later can break references elsewhere. So it's worth getting this right before you distribute it widely. That's it. You've opened Mailchimp, navigated to your template, created an email from it, found the Share This Email section, edited the URL field with a clean, descriptive slug, and saved your changes. You're all set with a polished campaign URL that's ready to share.